Hello everyone, welcome to our Yoga Life channel. I'm Indu and today I will show you one of the basic pranayama or breathing techniques. Pranayama means the extension of the breath, and today's technique is called Nadi Shodhana or Nostril Breathing. Nadis refers to the energetic channels in our body. We have three main ones: the central or Sushumna, the left one, the left nostril one, Ida, and the right one, Pingala. Now the left side refers to the feminine side, to the moon, cooling. It refers to the rest and digest, or the parasympathetic nervous system. On the right one refers to the male energy of the body, to the sun, active, warm, and of course to the sympathetic nervous system. So when we use this breathing technique, we are balancing these two sides, and whether we are feeling a little bit more energetic, more active, or a bit more sleepy, we can use this technique to bring our body back into center, back into balance. And in the word Nadi Shodhana, Shodhana means cleansing, so we are cleaning or cleansing these energetic channels. Now before we start, there are a few precautions that I have to mention. In any case, in any moment you start feeling uncomfortable, feel free to stop with the practice. And of course, if there's some cold, you feel like your nostrils are a bit blocked, it's better to not do it at all. So we will start with finding a comfortable seat. Whether you're sitting on the floor, you can grab a pillow or a blanket to sit on, or you can even sit on a chair. Finding a comfortable seat where your spine can be lengthened, your back supported, so there's no lower back pain. Arms to the side. Let's just take a few deep breaths to arrive, to settle in. Feel free to close your eyes. You can even roll your shoulders up and back. Chin is gently in. Just a few deep breaths through your nose. And long exhale. And slowly opening your eyes, I will just demonstrate how do we use our hand. So we usually use our right hand. With the thumb, we will close the right nostril. And with the pinky and the ring finger, we close the left nostril. Now with index finger and the middle finger, you can place it on your third eye, between your eyebrows. You can place it in front of your face, or just close it into your hand. So your choice. See what feels better, what feels more comfortable. So as you close the right nostril, take a deep breath in through the left. Closing your left nostril and exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Exhale left. Inhale left. Close your left side. Exhale through the right. Inhale right nostril. Exhale left. Inhale. And exhale. So feel free to close your eyes and breathe. Inhale, right. Exhale, left. Inhale on 2, 3, 4. Close. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Continue in your own rhythm. Few more breaths. When you're ready, finishing with exhale through your left nostril. Bring your hand down and just come back to your normal breath. Slowly opening your eyes. So this was an example of Nadi Shodhana, or nostril breathing, very basic, approximately around 4 seconds inhale, 4 seconds exhale. Talking about the ratios, we can always increase gradually, making a maybe little break in between of 2 seconds or 4 seconds. Exhale can go longer into 6 or 8, but for start, if you're just a beginner, I would just recommend an easy inhale, exhale. Ratios are also there to just help our mind to focus and to bring that calmness. And of course to follow, so your inhale is always equal or less than your exhale. So exhale always has to be a bit longer. That's the whole point of pranayama, the extension of the breath. So we can try once again, maybe with a little retention of 2 seconds and exhale on 6. Again, if it doesn't feel comfortable, just come back to the normal inhale and exhale, or 4 seconds inhale, 4 seconds exhale. So find, again, a comfortable seat. Closing your right nostril and inhale on left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale left. And hold your breath. Exhale right. Inhale right. Hold your breath. Exhale left. Inhale on 2, 3, 4. Close and hold your breath. And exhale on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, hold, and exhale. Inhale, hold, and exhale. Release, coming back to normal breath. Notice any change, any difference in your body. And slowly opening your eyes. So thank you for joining me today. This practice is the best to be done in the morning, even better after your asana practice, after your yoga practice. And the best is to do it always 5 to 15 minutes. If it feels good, of course do it as long as you like. Thank you for joining me and have a beautiful day. Namaste.